Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're making the homepage even better with some exciting new sections. Let's get started. Now let's check out the upgraded homepage. It starts with a header featuring a search bar for quick access to recipes. Right below we have AI generated mood section. Just type in how you're feeling and it will generate recipe suggestion for you. Next, we have categories section. It helps you find recipes based on different types of food, drinks, breakfast. Then the culture section, for now, it includes 4 cuisines to explore. Finally, we have the trending section. Here you will find the most popular recipes along with their ratings, so you can easily pick the best one to try. Now let's start adding our new header section. First, we need to make some changes in app.js. So let's add this line to remove the existing header. Then we will clean up the home screen by removing the existing elements and add our new animated header inside the home screen. So this creates a stylish header with a title and a search bar. The title, what's on the menu, will be displayed at the top, and below it we have a search input where user can quickly find recipes. Search recipes. And I will copy paste my color while editing. Then I will add my styles attribute, so with the style names. Then I will add 2 imports. Have missing, okay. Then I will add new file for home styles. I will cut, paste it. Then I will add my new styles. Export. Position and stretch it from top, left and right. I need to import. And import it here from React Native. Oh, capital S. Okay. Copy paste my color. Overflow hidden to keep everything contained. And that index, it set high to ensure it stay on the top of the other elements. And to give the bottom edge a rounded log, I use border radius. Font size and font weight. will change the color to white. System. Now I'll start the search bar. Rounded the corner. Flex direction row to align items in a row. I'll add shadow. Copy paste color. System. Now let's add the categories section. It will let user explore different types of food. Text, this adds simple heading that says explore categories. Next, we need to display the categories using a flat list. It let us create a horizontal scrolling list of categories. Data, I will add my data later. Function. Set horizontal to true. Then we hide the default scroll indicator. I'll add my style. Now let's define how each category should appear. For that, we will use render category function. We wrap everything inside in a touchable opacity, so user can tap on a category to see related recipes. Embrace, I will add my function. Then display an image for category followed by its name. And text. Item.name. Now to display some categories, we need to add a data file. but in the next video we'll connect this to a real database when we set up our backend. Categories. But before that, since we are using images in our app, I also want to share a great resource of finding free high quality images and a Splash website. It provides a license images that you can use in your project without any copyright issues. Recipe, you can choose free. I added our images, save. Then I will add my data here. It contains ID, name, and image for each object. Let me import my data. Add my style, category image, set the width and the height. Category card. What else do we have? Categories list. Still can't see my section. Let me wrap everything in content. Scroll view. Style content. Flex 1. Section header. Maybe I can't see my section because of the margin top is 0. Let me change it. Yes. Font weight. System. All these are familiar styles. Margin, alignment, align items. We'll add shadow and shadow offset. Category label, still can see the name. Font weight. System. Let me go back to the code. Home screen. Oh, okay. Now I can see it. Now let's add culture section to showcase recipe from different cuisines. Cultures section. I will copy paste the category section because it's the same. It will display horizontal list, same as categories. I will just change the function. Then render culture to define how each item is displayed. I will change my style name, and for now we will use a simple data file to populate this section. We have 4 cuisines: Italian, Sudanese, Mexican, and Indian. Import my file. Next, let's apply some styles. Culture, card. Set the width and the height. All these are familiar styles. Shadow. Culture image, width and height. And the label. Color white. Background color orange. Perfect. Now let's add the trending section. This will showcase popular recipes that user can explore, complete with images, title, and ratings. Trending section. We will use a flat list to display our trending recipes. This time we are slicing our recipe data to show only the first 6 recipes. Recipes data dot slice 0, 6. We also set number columns to 2, which means the recipe will be displayed in a grid format with 2 columns. And since this is a static preview, we disable scrolling for now by setting scroll enable to false. At the bottom of the section, we add a View All button. When tapped, it navigates to the recipe list screen. Navigate recipe list. View all. Now let's define how each recipe card will look. We create a render recipe function that structures each item in the list. Each recipe card includes an image, an overlay effect for better readability, the recipe title at the bottom, and ratings page at the top right corner. Here, overlay. And the ratings. This is an emoji you can copy paste from emoji website. Then I will add my data file. Then import it in the home screen. Now I will add my style. Recipes card, width and height. Width, dimension, window. We define all these styles before. Should offset. And elevation. width and height. Recipe overlay. Style shade to fill the object. Recipe title should be color white. Ratings at the top right corner. Copy paste color. Align item center. Now view all. Um, and view text. Font size. Font weight. Perfect. Now let's add the AI-powered mood section. This section will allow users to enter how they're feeling, and our app will generate recipe suggestions based on their mood. Mood section. First, we wrap everything inside a view and give it mood container style. At the top, we display a header that asks, "How is your mood today?" copy paste emoji. Next we add an input field where user can type how they're feeling inside view. Text input. We'll add style. It's a placeholder. Feeling hungry, stressed, or romantic. We'll add the text color. I will add value. I have some error. Use state. It's empty. And then my function generate recipe. I will leave it like empty right now, for now. Okay, right next to the input we have a button that triggers our AI generated recipe. On press. Disabled loading. So if the AI is still loading, we replace the text with an activity indicator so users know something is happening in the background. Activity indicator. If not, I will show text. Generate. Emoji. And generate. Set loading and set loading. I will default it to false. Now we'll add a style. This is a slight scaling effect when the pattern is pressed, making it shrink slightly to 0.95 of its size. Press and transform. Scale 0.95. Below the input, we offer a quick mode suggestion that user can tap instead of typing. These are displaying using horizontal flat list. So text, quick, mood picks, then flat list. Now user can either type their mood manually or tap on one of the options to get instant recipe suggestion. This is how I render them. I will take the same styles that we used before. On press. Set mode function. Item. Then I will add style to it. Show scroll indicator false. Then I will add my mood suggestion. Also I'll add emoji, so copy paste. Those are my suggestions. Now let's add some style. Nope, actually I don't need color for the container. Margin top. Shadow color, offset, opacity, elevation, like we always do. And the next style, it's mood header. I will change the color to orange. Font family system. Flex direction row. Margin bottom. All these are familiar styles. for the color. Then mood button text. Suggestion title. And suggestion container. Suggestion text. Change the color. Font size, font weight. System. Then I will copy paste my color. I think we're good. Alright, let's test the mood suggestion feature. I will tap one of these quick picks and see how it updates the input field. And just like that, the mood is set. Now all that left is to generate a recipe based on it. Can scroll. In the next video, we'll connect this to our backend and bring AI functionality to life. That way the app can actually suggest recipe based on how you're feeling. And that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and see you in the next one.